Nomadic is an adjective. It describes a person, group, or lifestyle that moves from one place to another instead of living permanently in one location. The word is commonly connected with nomads, people who travel regularly, often because of work, tradition, animals, climate, or their way of life. Nomadic can also describe modern lifestyles. For example, someone who works online and travels from country to country might have a nomadic lifestyle. Pronunciation. Nomadic is pronounced nomadic. Break it into 3 parts. No, mad, I see. Synonyms of nomadic. Some useful synonyms include wandering, moving from place to place, traveling, going from one location to another, migratory, moving regularly, often seasonally, roaming, traveling around without a fixed destination, itinerant, traveling from place to place for work or activity. Antonyms of nomadic. The opposite ideas include settled, stationary, permanent, rooted, sedentary. For example, a nomadic person frequently changes locations, while a settled person usually lives permanently in one place. Nomadic examples in real life. Imagine a photographer who travels across different countries, taking pictures and working wherever inspiration takes them. We could describe that person as having a nomadic lifestyle. Here are more examples. The family lived a nomadic life, moving with their animals from one region to another. Many digital workers enjoy a nomadic lifestyle because they can work from different countries. The tribe followed nomadic tradition for generations. Remember, nomadic mainly suggests movement without a permanent home or location. If you want to expand your English vocabulary with simple definitions, useful synonyms, pronunciation, and real-world examples, keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.